Okay guys, so today is March 1st. It is almost like similar to Independence Day in Korea. So I have off today. I decided since I have some time, I caught up on sleep, do your laundry, clean your apartment, still unpack. So here we are guys, here is the washing machine. And I cannot read anything, but I think we're gonna figure this out. So I see that there are little pockets of something here. We don't have this back home, but we're gonna figure this out. Oh, it's a lint trap. Alright, so obviously the girl that lived here, ew, this looks like it's been here for a few months, y'all. This is disgusting. Put it in, where we got it from. Alright, little pocket's now empty. I think that's Korean Tide, guys. What do you guys think? Alright, I'm gonna figure that this is power button. Alright, so far, so far so good. I'm gonna assume this is the amount. This is the amount of detergent used. I'm going to assume. Don't know what this means. Alright, so this is on cold water. I want it to be on hot. Alright, got that. And I don't know if this is white colored or whatever. Guys, I'm determined. I'm gonna, oh, wait. I think that's the size of the laundry. I'm just assuming of how it is back home. I think it's like extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, I think. But, fingers crossed. And we're gonna hit this. Haha! Yahtzee! I guess laundry's done. So here's the thing, guys. Ta-da! This is my clothesline. I have to hang it, and then you legit just have your clothes dry. It's dry by the wind. They don't have drying machines here. Well, at least in this apartment, there's no drying machines. I'm pretty sure that there are drying machines in South Korea, but this is how everybody, like I look around and I see everybody's little balcony with clothes on it. For the first time, I did my laundry in South Korea. Yay! See you tomorrow.